In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to FirstBank online banking. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in efirstbank.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of eFirstBank. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. Make sure online banking option is selected over here. Once you do that, you'll be able to log in to your online banking account. Over here, what you have to do is simply provide your credentials. Simply enter your user ID and password. Click on the field of user ID. Now what you have to do is enter your user ID over here. After you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for forgot password. Click on it and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into FirstBank online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.